Chapter 15, sample problem number 13. A cylinder and a cube are carved out of a piece of plastic with uniform density, and then a second cylinder and cube are carved out of a piece of metal with uniform density. Dimensions are given for the cylinders and cubes. The mass of the cylinder in B is twice the mass of the cylinder in A, and we are asked to rank the densities of these objects. So our very first thing is that we should notice that the plastic is uniform density and the metal is uniform density, meaning everything made of plastic has the same density. So that instantly tells us that we will have A and C being the same, and we'll have B and D being the same. And now the only question is the density of the metal more than the density of the cylinder, or vice versa? We see that we have, in case B, we have twice the mass, which means since, in general, the density is the mass over the volume, and for B and A, the volumes are the same, then the densities are in the same ratio as the masses, which means that the thing with more mass is also higher density. So we see that B has a greater density than A. So really down here we should have said that B is the same as D, and those are bigger than A, which is the same as C.